Nav tag you have used. Before nav tag, before nav tag, follow a division or section. Inside that section, you will write class equal to bg hyphen dark or bg black, and after that you can see one class is here called fixed top. That fixed top you need to apply here, and again you need to write. Okay, so write it here, and p3 also you can write p3. P3 we can write. P3. Next after that, okay, hello. Mhm. I'll give a number, call to that number. I will message you. Okay, container. Inside the container, create the row class equal to row. Inside that division call hyphen lg hyphen 12. bg black we have written. You should write text white also. Text hyphen white. So the content of this section will be in which color? White color. Background will be black color. And this is also fixed top, and this is also fixed top. Both will sit one after the other. Now inside this, you can keep some text here first. Put some text here. Okay. So written. Now you can see the nav we have below nav. In the nav, you will write here empty 3, MT3 or MT4. So what will happen? Navigation will leave in the top 24 pixel, and whatever the 24 pixel it is going to leave in the top, there this will come. It will come. This in the black color section should come in the top. Adjustment is required. We have to do the adjustment. Plus minus we have to do. Okay, so we need to give more. How much you given? MT4. Try with the MT5. MT5, what this is? MT5 is okay or more? It's okay. MT5 is okay on the top. Here MT5, and here you have written P3. P3 you need to reduce to maybe P2 or maybe P1. P1. Now let's check once. Is it fitting? P1 become less. P2. P2 is also. P3 how much? P3 when we wrote text was coming down. See, this text is coming down. P3. Okay. So PT. Let me write PT3. PT3 nahi. PT2. PT2. Plus minus we have to do something so that it should fit properly text. Nice. P3 what it was saying. P3 is here. Okay, let me not write the P3 here. P3, if I write for the row class, what will happen? For the row, if you write the P3, padding 3, still it is down only. Should be little up down. Okay, if I remove padding from here, what will happen? Without padding, how it look? Please wait, let me modify, then you can try. P is still here. Okay, so without padding will not come properly. Here empty we have written P3 and here empty 4. P3 and empty 4 went wrong. Empty 4 and P3 is combination look better, but it's a little down. It's a little down. Okay, why not? P3 empty 5. Empty 5. Empty 5. Yeah. Let me adjust it. We may have to add our own CSS. This is in center. The text is in center. It's not in center, no? Padding colon from top 10px, from left right 0px, from bottom 20px. But 20px will get allowed if we increase here. Okay, so here in this case empty 6 we don't have, right? Margin hyphen top 50px, not reflect. Empty, okay, 48. Okay, important is applied here. So let me apply, remove the important and apply here 48. 50 is not sufficient. This much is okay. It is in center now. So we have to create one class and then we can fit there. Let's come to this file. Write a class here, a style open close, and right there margin top 55 px exclamation important. Margin top for whom? Okay. My nav. Written my nav. This my nav you will call here. You will remove the empty 5 and call here my nav. Remove the empty 5 and call the my nav. And here P3 will be as usual. Then check is it in the center. Okay, we got it. Something like this. Now you put the contact number in the left, address in the middle, or contact number in the left, and then social media icon in the right. So first 6 will have contact number. Second 6 in the right side, there will be social media icons. Divide this section into 2 parts, 6 and 6. Divide this 6 and 6. 12 you have written, put 6 as if. First 6 will have contact number. Second 6 will have what will have? Social media icon. That should start from right side. Try कीजिए. Try few things. I will also write, but you try once. Hope ready. Displayed 6 and 6. First 6 what we have added. Contact number. Any icon for that? FA hyphen. No, mobile we want to display. Or maybe HEADACT headset. After that, side will have mobile phone with icon, and in the right side, social media icon. So how to bring in the right side? Text icon and text end. FAB, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, okay, 3 icons are coming. Went completely last. That should look like this. Oh, MR is not working here. ME. Okay, so you can add this. Okay, ready? Now, if you resize the window, if you minimize the window, mobile phone is went little here. So what we can do, if it is a mobile phone, we will not display the right side block. If it is a mobile phone, then display only contact number. Don't display the social media icon. Hmm? So for that, we have to write a CSS. We have to write our own CSS. It will not happen directly from the ready-made CSS. So see, call MD6, call LG6 we have in the right. Let's go here. Write a class called hide in mobile. Class name hide in mobile. Class name hide in mobile. You have to write the class, then it will work. No? Hide in mobile is not exist. We have to write our own class. Okay, so go here. And what is the condition? Condition is it should not display in mobile phone. Mobile phone come under the, okay, let's check here. So we'll go like this. We'll go like this. And till here this icon is coming. Still icon is coming. Still icon is coming and it is not able to fit. Unable to fit. Okay, hold on. Let's do one thing. Add here one more class. Call LG6 we have given. Call hyphen MD also give 6. Call hyphen MD hyphen 6. After that give call SM12. Here also give call SM12. Then write call hyphen 12. Call hyphen 12. Call hyphen 12. Call hyphen 12. Return. Now check again it is fitting anywhere or not. Not fitting. It is a MD size. In MD size 6 is okay. But in the case of mobile phone, it is not working. So till here it is fine. For MD it is okay. Now we need to find out what is the size of the SM. SM cover from where to where? What is the size of SM? Screen size. Check कीजिए. Open the developer guide. Huh? 1.4. That is called SM. SM. So you will apply a condition 1 pixel to 700 and how much? 68. 768.
Extra small it is 1 pixel to 576.
576.
Extra small.
Extra small.
And for small it is 577 to 768.
768. Okay, so let's come. Write here a media query. Write a media query and write a class called hide in mobile, and there you write, okay, not directly, it should be like this, @media screen and minimum width 1 pixel 1 px and max hyphen width minimum width 1 pixel and max width minimum width 1 pixel and max width, what is the SN? Maximum 768. Keep 69 px. Till here. So this condition you understood. What is the condition? Condition is saying like if anyone will open this page and his device screen size is between 1 pixel to 769 pixel. 68 bola tha na, 68. So we added 1 pixel extra up to how much? 69. Then hide in mobile will say display colon none and forcefully you say exclamation important. So if anyone will open this page in the up to 769 pixel device, social media icon will not come. You can see only contact number. Center में अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा, आप देख लो. It will not look proper if it will display in center. Left is okay. Container we have follow, row we have follow, call LG we have follow. It will leave some space from left side. Definitely. Coming. This code will come to your chat. Let's go here. If I go in a small device, my social media icon will not appear. Only contact number will come. And this click of this menu will open as usual, how it was happening. And as we increase slowly, see, automatically social media will come. Hope working, please let me know. person replied something working. For other also it should work. I will share you section to section also. Section to section will come in your chat. After that, CSS style to style will also come in the chat. Okay, so till here we are clear. Yes, what is happening and how it is happening. Login page was okay. Registered page was also okay. Service page what we have added. Something was like this. Okay, in service page, we will add some more feature of Bootstrap that is called. We have a class called badge and we have a class called alert message. Alert and badge. That's two classes we will follow under the service page. So open the service page. Open the service page and come to the this section before project section. This white screen we have white block. Let's come to the white block. Open the service page and come near to the white block area. White block area we have written BG light. We can identify easily section wise it is written. Section open, section close. Section open, section close. Inside you have followed 3 row, 3 columns, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Now create one more row. Create one more row within the BG light section. Here, this section we have no white block. Inside, create one more row in the last. So now you need to find out where your row start and where the row is ending. So row start, row end. Row, open, close. Go inside the row. Division class row. Then inside the row class will follow MT5. MT5 you can write. Class equal to.
So sorry, which section should I copy from the previous page and where to be pasted, sir? Sorry, I missed that.
This is not copy. It's already existing file. Service file. You have the service file.
So, yeah, I have service file. So I just need to start from div, is it, on this file now?
Which div? Section.
This one, which you're doing the row, class row, MD5.
No, which class, where you will write. I told you, no, go to the section where you are written the BG light.
Okay.
This block, find out this block.
Okay.
And create a row. Inside the row, you will write here call hyphen LG hyphen 3 and one call 9. Okay, so in the large screen it will be 3. Under the call hyphen MD hyphen how much? 4. And call hyphen SM hyphen 12 and call hyphen also 12. This class you will add here. If the top is 3, then this will be 9. Call hyphen MD hyphen 4, then this will be the 8. Call hyphen 12, then this also will be as a 12. And call hyphen 12. Ready? MD4, come inside. Call LG4. You will follow the division class equal to P4 BG hyphen success text hyphen white text white rounded. Then you will follow the P tag. Under the P tag, you will write 3-4 line. This is under the first block. 3-4 line you write and check once. One block will be ready in the left side. Different color combination and something. Okay, hope written. We check in the left side. Green block with some content. I think green we can convert into primary. Green you can convert into primary will look highlighted primary primary. Now what will happen according to a screen size that will get rearranged automatically. LG3, MD4 and SM12 and extra small also 12. Something like this highlighted. Okay, next is under this block, under the right side block. Under the right side block, you have to create a row. Under the right side block, you have to create a row. Class equal to row, and you should write a comment here. Row end. You should write a comment called row end. Clear? Row is written. Now inside the row, so this row will see according to size, it will get spread. See covering full width because you are given call SM12, call MD12, call extra large also 12 you are given. Complete full responsive. See according to device content got rearranged. Nothing is overlapping anywhere. The upper portion is also that the contact number. Oh, we have written not in this file. We have written in another file. Yes. वो तो आप copy paste कर लीजिए. That you can copy paste. Okay, now inside the hope everyone is ready to clear. Inside the 9, what you need to do, let's look at the photo. Sorry, inside this row, inside the row, what you have to do is, this photo will guide you. Okay, inside the row, first one heading will come. One heading will come here. Give any heading. Give any heading. Give any heading. After giving the heading, below one photo should come. And after the photo, below some text should appear. So let me complete the heading part. Heading. And then one more heading. One more heading. And after that, below you have the structure here. Structure here. Below you have a structure here. So how many photo? How many? 3. Inside the row 4, 4, 4. But the row is the part of 9. Okay, so while writing the row, remember if it is SM, LG, MD, वो तीनों आपको consider करना है. That you need to consider all 3, and then how it should be. Here the text has to come. Some text has to come here. That text should be just below the photo. 3 line of the text. Now how you will arrange? You can check that. 3 line of the text. Text. 3 line of the text with read more button. Read more. Read more button will come here. A small read more button will come here. Any color combination that you can plan. And the similar structure, all 3 places. Let me write here same. And let me write here call same. To look like possible. Try. So the 9 row you have written inside the row. How many? 3 blocks. 4, 4, 4. But remember, you have to remember which one. Call SM12 and call hyphen 12. LGMD you follow whichever you want, but SM should be 12 and call hyphen 12. Then only first block will be half and the first block will cover full. And in every call LG34, MD3 should be there. MD3 why? Because if a device will be a small, there should be little space in the bottom. Like call LG3 you write a space MD3 for what purpose? Margin bottom. If someone will open in a small device, it should not touch each other. There should be some space from top to bottom. Try कीजिए. Design that, and then anyone can send me the code also. This raw data only. Okay, ready? Anyone can share the code? Waiting for your reply. No one. Section block fixed top. No, this is the my code only. I'm waiting someone who can send the code. Many remaining people have not tried. No benefit of this 1 week class if you are not able to do. Hidden why I changed. Something like this.
Yes.
Make a small device. All are getting rearranged. So we understood Bootstrap, right? Okay. Come to the next file. Which file we can go? In login file. We can add that badge class. We have a class called badge we can use here. So hope the service file is working for you. I will share again the service file. Any update on that project page? Completed or going on? Still going on. Join one's company, then you will remember the Guruji. That much task within 2 days, 2 days. 2 दिन में, okay. Today company will give you and tomorrow you need to deliver it. Maybe morning they'll give you and evening without delivery you can't go home. Okay. And join कीजिए company का पता चलेगा. Morning 9:30, entry is fixed. 9:30 if you come late means problem. Okay. But exit time have the cross mark. You cannot exit without completing the task. Manager will be sitting like on the gate only with like the gate man. While coming out, he will ask, Siaram completed. Have you done your task? He will say, yes, sir. Then he will come slowly. If will not so, then he will say, okay, I have a car, I will drop you. Let's complete. I'm waiting here for you. Okay, we'll go together. Okay. Manager, in case manager is not there, owner will come. He will say, I have a car, I'll drop you home. Don't worry. Or I'll book a cab for you. Complete then go. We'll order the pizza from somewhere. Eat complete then go home. Okay. तब क्या होगा? Then what will happen? Delay. See, developer, be a developer in such a way where, okay, be a developer in such a way where if anyone will give the task and they say like how long it will take, your answer should come, go and have a tea, come back, by then it will be ready. समझे कि नहीं? Go, have a cup of tea and then come back, by then it will be ready. Okay, उसको developer बोलते हैं. So go to the login page. In login page, we have written here offset. Call LG4 is written. Offsets are written. Offset 4. Remove that offset. Before this call LG4, create a call LG3. Create a call LG3. Remove the offset. Call LG3. Call LG3. Call LG3. Ready? Go under the call LG3 and open the UL. Close the UL. For UL, we have a class called list group. List hyphen group. Next we have a li list group item. Group icon item. Space active. List group item space active. List group item space active. Okay, where it is here within the list group item active right here. Our customers. Our customers. Our customers. So now 3 is coming like this. Okay, after 3 we can give a gap. After 3, between 3 and 4, give a empty column. 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 So you will have gap between both, little gaps. It's fitting properly now. Now in this, display some 3, 4. Active is not required everywhere. Active will only one place. And we can write inside the first li travels agency. Next li hiring company. Next li something you can write marketing company. Now all places we want to display the number 20, 30, 40. So we have a class. Let me open that class name. It's called as a badge, BADG badge. Check it here. Check now. So you are getting how many options in the left? Total 4 options.
Yes.
Okay. In each we want to display the number. Okay, where and how many are there. So we can follow the span tag. We can follow here span tag or label tag, anything. SPAN span and class equal to badge, BADG badge, and after that which color you want. Badge hyphen danger, red color, put here as a 10. So 10 vendor, tour and travel agency 10. Go for the next. Hiring company info. Suppose put here something 50. Put marketing company span something success 200. It will indicate a number. Some number will appear. Danger info success we can apply for that. P3, P2, P1 we can apply. Hmm. Oh, this should be BG. Danger info. These weapons. So number is coming. Marketing company become little big size for me. Going to the next line. Maybe I'll make it college 3 as a 4. It will increase little width for me. Okay, so that is called which class? Batch class. We have a class called alert. Multiple color combination we can use here. Suppose you enter something. Click on login button. Now login is checking in the backend. Record is not exist. We want to display a message here. Okay, so which color message you will display? So hope you are done with the UL. Let me share the in the chat UL to UL. Next, after that, come to the login, and after H3 you will write. Come to the second floor under the login block. After H3, we have written here lock symbol. The lock symbol is here. Just below the lock symbol, it should display a message in alert saying like this. We have many alert class. We will write one here. Class equal to we have a class called alert. Okay. And inside we what kind of alert message you want to display? Red, green, blue, success, which one? So alert hyphen, you can say warning. Alert warning. Okay, what is that? Invalid input. Invalid input. Displaying message. But message not color not clear. Okay. NIWARNI NG warning. Warning, something like this. Warning is not visible better. You can put something danger. Danger will come in full red color. Danger. And then you can see, okay. That is called which class? Alert class. So alert, danger we have written. We have success, info, warning, secondary, primary, all multiple. How many BG classes we have? That many alert classes we have. Alert class remains same, remaining other here. Okay. Okay. Now for the text box, the text box is coming here. Can you change their border to red color? Text box border to red color. We have a class called border. Space border hyphen danger. So what will happen? Border will convert into red color. Try for the text box. Border space border hyphen danger. Border space border hyphen danger. Form control we have written already. Form control class is there. After form control you can write. After form control you can write. After form control, which class? Border space border hyphen danger. Border space border hyphen danger. Same thing we can apply for the second also. Second text box also we can apply the same. Border space border hyphen danger. Then check once. Hello. Yes, madam. Video. One to one is not available, madam. No. Job support will be after January. January end, our developers will come back. They are in hometown, working from home. So as of now, due to internet problem plus many work dependency from office, the support work we have stopped. End of the January will be okay. We'll talk on that. Okay, check now. So this text will appear in the middle. Convert in the middle. Text center you can apply. See, many classes are there, right? So if you mix the classes, then the very look better look and feel will come. So what are the classes we have for the alert? For alert, we have written alert class remains same. Alert danger we have written. Instead of danger, like whichever the BG classes we have, we write BG success, danger, info, warning. All classes we can apply here, and according to the class name, the color combination will appear. So this danger we have written as of now. This is not fixed color. See, suppose you have not entered anything and click on button, so it's a danger. If you enter everything and click on button, then what should happen? Yes, okay, letting reload. If you click everything, enter everything and click on login button, then here the danger should convert into info color, and it should say please wait processing. After some time, the info should convert into green color, and it should say success redirecting. After some time, it should go to the another page. In case not match in database, then the info should convert into red color and says like invalid. Okay, so those all how many steps? User has not entered anything, click on button, will come as a red. User will enter everything, click on button, it will convert into a sky blue and the info, and it will say please wait processing. After some time, again according to backend status, the backend with message will get changed. Text will change and color will also get changed. Text will change saying like invalid red color, or success means green colors, please wait redirected. Okay, sometime you register somewhere, after that registration message will come, you are registered successfully, please validate your email. Or validate your email means we have sent the email, confirm it. That is called what? Info color. Or maybe you can display information, you will display through info color, alert -info. Something risky task you will display through the alert -danger. Some warning message you want to display, you can use alert -warning. Some happy message you want to display, you can say alert -success. Correct. So those color combinations are exist. You can use that. Okay. Now next, after that, tomorrow we may not log in. I have some hospital work. I will be going there. In case not going, then we'll have. In case it will go, then we'll not have class. So mostly we'll not have tomorrow. Okay. Our next class will be day after tomorrow. That is on 22nd. Okay. Tomorrow we will not be under the confusion. We'll not log in tomorrow. We'll log in directly day after tomorrow. So I have some family dependency.